Good morning, everyone. Today I brought a few exercises on eyes. As we all know that eye is a main body part of our body, which is neglecting nowadays. Due to COVID, we are working from home, and our working is with screens are increased day by day. Maximum time we are spending with mobiles, laptops, or television. Very few peoples are concentrating on the eyes. So let's start five important exercises which help to improve our eyesight. It will take hardly 5 minutes to complete, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. First exercise, blink for 30 seconds. This exercise helps to regulate blood in your eyes muscles. It has three functions. It helps gaze your eyes, clean them, and give them a break. With the lack of frequent blinking, your eyes become dry, that leads to inflammation and poor vision. Keep opening and closing your eyelids quickly without straining them. You can perform this exercise just about anywhere for 30 to 60 seconds. This practice is especially useful for those who work with anything that requires a lot of attention. Second exercise, rotate your head. You need to turn your head in a circulation motion while staring ahead. First, slowly turn your head from right to left, then up and down. Keep looking straight. You can do it for 30 or 60 seconds depending on how much free time you have. Poor vision limits you in many ways. Therefore, find 10 minutes every day to perform these exercises to have great eyesight at any age. Exercise number 3. Look to your right and left. Again, you can perform this exercise for 30 to 60 seconds. Make yourself comfortable and let's begin. To do it correctly, you first need to look at your right. Do it slowly while inhaling as far to the right as you can, but without stressing it. Then slowly move your gaze to the left while exhaling. Remember that you should perform the exercise very slowly. After finishing, close your eyes for a few seconds slowly. Now, fourth exercise, move your gaze in different direction. This exercise improves all aspects of your visual perception. It is suitable for both nearsightedness and farsightedness. You should move your gaze in different direction. First, look right to left for 5 seconds. Now, look up and then down for another 5 seconds. After that, turn your eyes in circular motion. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then draw a figure of 8 with your eyes. Take your time, no rush. Exercise number 5. Close your eyes and relax. All you need to do is just close your eyes and sit back. Most important is to relax your eye fields completely. Think about something that you like to do, your future vacation, or your other pleasant things. and stay with your eyes closed for at least 30 seconds. Now rub your palms and put it on your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. This helps you in relaxing your eye muscles. Thank you.